केंद्र सरकार जख्मा नियंत्रण कार्यक्रम और रोगी चिन्हट नहीं आज लोकसभा स्वास्थ्य मंत्री को प्रश्न करते केन्द्रापड़ा बीजेपी सांसद बैजयंत पंडा। टीबी मुक्त अभियान रे केंद्र सरकार 5 लाख चिन्हट कैंप करी 6 कोटी लोकों स्वास्थ्य परीक्षा करथिले। सेथिरे 2 लाख जख्मा रोगी चिन्हट होइचंती। तेबे देश को टीबी मुक्त करबा और रोगी को चिकित्सा जोगाइबाकू केंद्र सरकार कौन रोडमैप प्रस्तुत करिसेंती बोली प्रश्न करथिले बैजयंत। या छड़ा जख्मा रोगी चिकित्सा और पोषण पर केंद्र सरकार आर्थिक सहायता प्रसंग में प्रश्न करथिले। केन्द्रापड़ा सांसद प्रश्नर उत्तर लोकसभा रखिथिले केंद्र स्वास्थ्य राष्ट्र मंत्री अनुप्रिया पटेल। मंत्री कहते 2025 शेष सुधा टीबी मुक्त भारत लक्ष्य रखा जाइछि। टीबी रोगी को औषध और पोषण पर सहायता दिया जाउछि। 1 कोटी 24 लाख जख्मा रोगी को यह सहायता प्रदान करा जाइतबा गृह सूचना दैछन्ति केंद्र स्वास्थ्य राष्ट्र मंत्री।
Very long time the problem with TB has been that a very large number of cases remained undetected, and it has been reported that the TB Mukt Abhiyan has targeted this and has been identifying a lot of cases which can be treated. The figures reported that in this TB Mukt Abhiyan 5 lakh screening camps have been held and 6 crore individuals have been screened. 2 lakh new cases have been found. I would like to ask the Honourable Minister that this is a very good first step of identifying the cases. What are the steps being planned and what is the roadmap ahead for addressing the treatment of these individuals so that we can really become TB Mukt in Bharat?
National TB Elimination Program, and we are moving fast in the direction of creating a TB-free India by 2025. I would like to begin by quoting some of the achievements of India in respect of TB elimination, which are being lauded in the WHO Global TB Report. Today in India, with the consistent efforts of the government, the incidence rate has gone down by 17.7%. TB mortalities have reduced by 21.4%. TB treatment coverage has expanded by 32% between the year 2015 and 2023. And even the MDR TB cases have gone down by 20%.
NTEP, the National Tuberculosis Elimination Program, and in relation to this, the Nikshay Poshan Yojana, which the Honourable Minister referred to, has this amount of 1,000 rupees a month, which I think is a very important aspect because people suffering from TB are often unable to work. And this financial assistance is very important. I would like to ask the Honourable Minister, what are the number of patients that are being assisted by this financial assistance, and is this being done through DBT or through some other method?
Drugs to hame dene hi hai, but at the same time we also have to provide right amount of nutrition to the TB patients, for which Government of India under the NTEP started giving a financial incentive of 500 rupees, which has lately been enhanced to 1,000 rupees. And I'm very happy to state that we have disbursed so far 3,635.29 crore amount through DBT to 1.24 crore TB patients so far.